In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all installed drivers on your computer. Knowing where to see your drivers is really helpful. Whether you're troubleshooting hardware, checking for outdated software, or just making sure everything is set up correctly. We're going to stay entirely within Windows, so you don't need to install any extra tools. The main place we'll use is called Device Manager. This is a built-in Windows utility that lists almost all of the hardware devices in your system and the drivers they use. First, let's open Device Manager. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens a small window called Run. In the text box, type dev.gmt.msc and then press Enter. After a second, the Device Manager window will appear. You can also get here by right-clicking the Start button and choosing Device Manager from the menu, if you prefer. Inside Device Manager, you'll see a long list of device categories, such as display adapters, network adapters, sound, video, and game controllers, and many more. Each category can be expanded. Click the little arrow or plus sign next to a category to see the individual devices inside it. Every device listed here has a driver installed, or it wouldn't show up properly. To see more details about a specific driver, choose a device that you're interested in, then double-click it. A new Properties window will open. Along the top, there are several tabs. Click the tab labeled Driver. This tab shows you the driver provider, the driver date, the driver version, and the digital signer. You also have buttons here to update, roll back, disable, or uninstall the driver. For now, we're just looking, so be careful not to click uninstall unless you're sure of what you're doing. If you want to quickly see which devices might have driver issues, look through the list in Device Manager for any icons with a yellow triangle or an exclamation mark. Those symbols usually mean the driver is missing, corrupted, or not working properly. Double-clicking those devices and checking the driver and general tabs will give you more information about the problem. You can repeat this process for any category and any device on your system. By methodically expanding each section and opening the Driver tab, you'll get a complete picture of the drivers currently installed on your computer, all using tools that are already built into Windows.